BabyBus.
I love driving, yeah, yeah. I love driving, oh yeah, oh yeah.
Hey, you're singing out of tune.
Oh, look, it's Toby.
Hey, Toby.
Oh, is he sleeping? Toby, wake up! Watch out! Move right now!
Toby, look at the light.
Toby, stop!
Hey, keep an eye on the signal.
Toby, are you all right?
It really hurts.
We need to take him to the repair shop right now.
It looks like you need some big repairs.
The toolbox is right here. Zach, let's start right now.
No. We have better tools. Ta-da!
Wow! How do we use them?
Well, I'll show you how.
Okay!
Chicka boom boom, boom, chicka boom boom, boom, chicka boom boom. Time to repair. It's time to repair.
The tow truck is hurt.
The tow truck is hurt.
Take a close look.
Take a close look.
Oh?
What's the problem?
The flashlight. Let's repair them.
Boom, chicka boom boom, boom, chicka boom boom, boom, chicka boom boom, boom, chicka boom boom. Time to repair. It's time to repair.
Yay!
The tow truck is hurt.
The tow truck is hurt.
Take a close look.
Take a close look.
What's the problem?
Oh, the tires. Let's repair them.
Okay. Boom, chicka boom boom, boom, chicka boom boom, boom, chicka boom boom, boom, chicka boom boom. Time to repair. It's time to repair.
Oh?
I'll leave the rest to you.
Don't worry. The tow truck is hurt.
The tow truck is hurt.
Take a close look.
Take a close look.
What's the problem?
Huh?
The oil tank. Let's repair it. Boom, chicka boom boom, boom, chicka boom boom, boom, chicka boom boom, boom, chicka boom boom. Time to repair. It's time to repair. Boom, chicka boom boom, boom, chicka boom boom, boom, chicka boom boom, boom, chicka boom boom.
Ha ha ha.
Yeah! Wonderful! We finally repaired Toby.
Yeah.
Toby? Toby!
Does anybody need a towing service? Toby, you look so tired. What happened?
I've been driving all night, that's why. I'm sorry.
You shouldn't fall asleep at the wheel. It's really dangerous.
Go get some sleep.
Kiki, Mew Mew, and Zach, thanks so much. Bye.
Bye! I repair cars. Yeah, yeah. I repair cars. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
You're singing out of tune again.
You can't catch me!
Stop right there, thief!
I can still drive.
I love driving. Yeah.
That car is stuck in the mud.
Oh no, Luca, let's help him.
Okay.
Thank you.
No problem.
I think you'd better come with us to the repair shop. Wow!
Yeah! Are you Police Car Boca?
Boca? My idol superhero Boca? My goodness, it's the superhero Boca! Here comes the superhero! Great police car Boca! Whenever someone's in danger, he will be right there! Wheel, wheel, wheel! Wheel, wheel! Wheel, wheel, wheel! Wheel, wheel! The superhero! Police car Boca! Police car Boca!
Wow! You're great!
But my parts are worn out. I'm not strong anymore. It's okay. We'll get you upgraded. Haha!
Yeah!
Super Police Car Boca!
Here comes the superhero! Great police car Boca! Whenever someone's in danger, he will be right there! Wheel, wheel, wheel! Wheel, wheel! Wheel, wheel, wheel! Wheel, wheel! The superhero! Police car Boca! Police car Boca! Here comes the superhero! Great police car Boca! Whenever someone's in danger, he will be right there! Wheel, wheel, wheel! Wheel, wheel! Wheel, wheel, wheel! Wheel, wheel! Superhero! Police car Boca! Police car
Woohoo! Thank you for upgrading me. Now I can go after bad guys again.
You're welcome.
We're happy that we can help.
Super Police Car Boca! Super Police Car Boca!